If you're thinking, why has no one ever told me this before? You're not alone. Almost everyone who watches this introduction has the same reaction, followed quickly by, I wish I'd started 20 years ago. Here's the truth. You can't plant a tree 20 years ago, but you can stop losing time today, and that's what the next step is about. The $1 Million Hour Forecast is not a product presentation, and it's not a pitch, and it's not about telling you what to do. It's a private, one-on-one session where we model your future, using the rules you're currently living under, and then compare that to what happens when guarantees replace guesswork. In this session, you'll see where your money currently lives, which category of assets it's in, how risk is being allocated or not, and how time is either working for you or being quietly taken from you. For the first time in your life, your plan becomes visible. On other streets, you're asked to trust projections, while on your street, we model outcomes. Most people discover that goals they assumed would take a lifetime can now be achieved in decades. Once the rules change, there's no obligation, no pressure, and no assumption that you'll make a change. But once you see the difference, the decision becomes clear. If you're ready to stop guessing and start seeing what's actually possible, schedule your $1 Million Hour Forecast below. One conversation, 1 hour, a completely different level of clarity. Because this is your money, your rules, your time, and it deserves to live on your street.